Once again, I want to appreciate the members of the Rotary Club of Apo, as well as the board members and the immediate past board, for giving me this privilege to serve.
We're not the same. Your love has captured all we are. Oh, Lamb of God.
Between Apo and Sun City in Abuja is a small community called Apo-Dutse. Apo-Dutse has been adopted by the Rotary Club of Apo. Rotary Club of Apo has provided many social, health and educational facilities for the community. These include a mother health center, a school, and a power transformer.
Before they built this hospital, we are suffering because sometimes if our children fall sick, we don't have any hospital here around us. So as they build this one now, we are happy because they are helping us.
For village to get this type of hospital, it's very difficult. That's why I say we are very happy for this hospital that we see it for this our village.
Yes, Rotary Club, they have really done a lot for us. They are building portals for us. They provided some instruments for us, some things that we are working with, some of the couch that we use here, the chairs. They provided the furnitures.
And we appreciate Rotary Club again for this transformer that they give us again. So it's not only the hospital that is benefiting the transformer, it's the entire district around here in Dutse district.
The Rotary Club Apo International is our big brother here. They give us exercise books, toiletries. They thank the school well and the school toilet, and have been maintained by the Rotary Club International.
Since the time I came to this in 2007, they have been helping us building toilets and well for the school. Yes, and other things, bringing textbooks and the exercise books for the pupils.
I want to say a very big thank you to them because they are teaching us well and they have giving us books to support our parents. It's very good for us.
Da dare, da rana, da safe akwai su. Tunda sun zo kuma suna so su gina wurin da likitoci za su zauna su duba komai lafiya, kuma muna da godiya da muna cikin garin nan. Makaranta godiya ne, iyayenmu haka ne suka soma.
In this Rotary year, which is Peace Through Service, thank God the RI President Sakuji Tanaka talked about this very important aspect of peace, especially in this time that we're in, that everywhere is being threatened with war and all manner of crisis. Now, Peace Through Service is the theme for the year, but basically Rotary has areas of focus, of which in this Rotary year we are going to be focused on. One is peace and conflict prevention resolution, water and sanitation, maternal and child health, basic education and literacy, and economic and community development.
We're not the same. Your love has captured all we are. Oh, Lamb of God, sweet Lord.
Rotary Club of Apo plans to complete the doctor's quarters behind the health center during the tenure of Rotarian Bright.
Of course, if they if they build these quarters, it will make a lot of difference because some of us we have to live there. When we have people in the patients that come in the night, we can attend to them.
We have only 2 or 3 rooms, which these 2 or 3 rooms are used for patients.
I have passion for my pregnant women. In fact, I don't want them to die. If I'm around, when they come in the night, I'll be available. By so doing, it's going to reduce maternal and fetal mortality rate, which is very high in the country now.
It is our belief that in this Rotary year, we should be able to complete this doctors and nurses quarter and hand it over to the Abuja Municipal Area Council so that doctors and nurses can start using it.
And if we don't wash hands, we will take our own hand, put dirty and jam inside our body. And at this jam, they do it. And they cause sickness. So if you want to wash hands now, hand washing is one of the things we are teaching our mothers. Without water, how can we do it? So they should help us provide water for us so that we can have it whenever we need it. And stop patronizing the meruas that we don't know their source of water.
We need water. Water is our problem here.
And even if it is a well where we can fetch water from, a well will help us.
We beg that if they can give us borehole here. In fact, we are really grateful to them. They have done a lot.
We need water, renovation of the toilet once more, and if they can give us a more extended school library.
When you look at the school compound, you can see we don't have it. People are passing anyhow, here and there. So it's not good. Coming for the issue of toilet, we don't have toilet. We use neighbor's toilet. If you go there now, the thing is filled up.
And the borehole will be drinkable than the well we have at hand.
In this year, we are going to embark on drilling of 3 boreholes in that community. One at the clinic site, another one at the primary school, and then one for the community. Now, these boreholes, we hope to increase them and extend beyond this, our adopted community, as time goes on.
And we need them to have a sort of talk with the children, especially encouraging education of the girl child.
We like them to build school library and playground for the nursery classes. I want them to provide library, SRG campaigns, and buy school bus for the school, and even computer for the school.
We need computer. Currently I'm the one teaching computers for this school. And since we started teaching computers for this, they have not seen computer. So it's very challenging.
I wanted them to bring French teachers out to hear more language and be able to understand it. Hausa teachers, because some of us we don't know how to speak Hausa very well, so we want to know more.
Last year, we were able to distribute Dictionary for Lives and some other material, books, education materials to our adopted schools and some schools around the FCT. In this Rotary year, we are going to continue in ensuring that these students, these pupils, they get these things. And that is why we are going to be organizing more, we'll be organizing some educational program, career development, that's like career counseling programs for these schools. We'll be visiting these schools, but we'll organize these programs and we'll distribute these books to them.
I will rest. I find your peace beneath the cross, knowing you, my one desire.
Rotary Club without service project is not a Rotary Club. So Bright himself knows that. He has the idea of what to do. He has been well tutored in Rotary. He knows Rotary. He knows what Rotary is expecting of him. He knows what we are expecting of him. And we are lucky and happy to have him this time because he wants to work. We know he wants to work. So we are not, and he knows also that we are not expecting less from him. We are expecting so much from him. And then we are sure, we are very optimistic that Bright is going to lead us to the next level.
The Busy Wife, a perfect blend of brains, beauty and tenacity, tells of how she feels.
I'm ecstatic, really. I'm so happy and I'm so proud of my husband. Everywhere he has been to, in the church, everywhere, people have always seen this leadership quality in him. that he possesses. Yeah, he's able to lead people, he's able to create change wherever he goes to, and I'm so very proud of him.
And our advice?
I will advise my husband to be very patient with people. The most difficult thing to manage in this world is people, and I'll advise him to be selfless in service to humanity. In this Rotary year, we intend to increase our membership, because the more people are aware about Rotary, the further the spread of assistance that is reaching people.
We want at least, during this time, double our membership. And that we have to do by encouraging members to at least bring one new member into the club. And again, we want to see how we can make our meetings very exciting.
And by so doing, our number will increase and we'll have a wide spread of people who are assisting. During my school days, Rotary has been in my mind. It has been something I love doing, because one of my hobbies in life is rendering service to humanity. Life is not about what you have, but it's about how many lives you have touched. I want us to increase our passion, develop more passion in reaching out and touching lives, especially in this year of peace through service. Let us get ourselves involved in services to ensure peace and to be able to affect lives positively.
Without a doubt, Rotarian Bright has the requisite experience, human and material assets required to accomplish this lofty ambition.
As a president of Rotary Club, you don't work alone. Bright is going to work with all of us. If we don't assist him, he's going to fail. We are already unwilling to assist him to do what he wants to do.
We are very grateful. We appreciate what they are doing. As we are asking for more, we are still thanking them. God will bless them. And as you know, like you about to say, oh, 1 year okay. How did they say it? Or 1 year okay. Their height will go up, and they will never get tired of liking.